Hello everyone, today I am going to explain English opening raps part 1 video chapter 1 to chapter 6. Now I am going to explain chapter 1 video. Don't forget to watch all these games because I am going to analyze and give you some tactical ideas for win more games. Okay, this game you need to improve more rating in chess. Okay, understand? Right now we can go now chapter 1. Let's start with c4. English opening, another move c5. Next move, knight go to c3. English opening symmetrical variation. Another move of black, e5. Okay, then e3. Knight e7. Black knight go to e7. Next move is knight b6. Okay, another move of black, d5. Attack the c4 square's pawn right now. Why black pawn? Next move is queen go to a4. Now beautiful move. Why white queen? Then bishop d7. Block the discovered check attack. Then knight d6 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 1. English opening rap part 1 video. Okay. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We can go now chapter 2. Hello everyone, this is chapter 2. How to win by checkmate in 5 moves only. Let's start with c4 in English opening. Okay, then c5. Okay, another move. Knight go to c3. This game white wins by checkmate in 5 moves. Okay, next move is e6. Then knight go to f3. Another move of knight e7. Then knight go to e4. Okay, then a5. Now attacking the knight y black pawn. Then knight d6 and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is chapter 2. How to wins by checkmate in 5 moves. Okay, if you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. We can go now chapter 3. Hello everyone, this is chapter 3. Why black resign in 4 moves only? Why black resign in 4 moves only? Let's start with c4, c5, d4, c cross d4. Okay, another move of white, knight go to f3. Now attacking the pawn right now. Then e5. Okay, another move, knight goes c5. Then queen a5 and we will check and wrap the knight. If check, black the check right now, then this queen is going to wrap the rook. No, sorry, knight. That's why black resigned this game. That's it. We can go now chapter 4. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Another chapter 4. Hello everyone, this is chapter 4. Why white resign in 10 moves only? Let's start with c4. English opening this game. c5. English opening symmetrical variation. Another move of white, knight f3. Followed by knight f3. Then knight c6. Okay, then d4. c cross d4. Then knight cross d4. Another move, g6. Okay, then b3. Okay, then bishop go to g7. This game white resign, black going beautiful move. Another move of white, bishop go to b2. Knight cross d4. Okay, now knight cross d4. Then bishop cross d4. Cut the knight. Then queen a5 and we will check. This time you can see right now, knight block the check. Then cut the queen by cut the knight by queen. Okay, then bishop cut. Then black bishop cut and check and block the check and wrap the queen. This game totally black win because Black has so many pieces and white has little bit pieces. That's why white resigned this game. That's it. We can go now chapter 5. Hello everyone, this is chapter 5. Why black resign in 4 moves only? Let's start. C4. English opening D5. English opening Anglo-Scandinavian defense and C goes D5. Knight F6. E4. Okay. Then knight goes E4. Then queen A4 and we will check. Now wrap the knight. If black the check with this bishop, then queen is wrapped the knight. That's it. That's why black resign this. Okay. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon and share my video to your friends. Okay, that's it. We can go now chapter 6. Okay. Hello everyone, this is chapter 6, last chapter. Why resign in 9 moves only? I am going to explain right now. Let's start. C4, English opening, E5, knight C3, knight C6, knight F3, F5, D4, E4, bishop go to G5, knight go to F6, D5, E cross F3. Okay. Then 7th move of fight, D cross C6, F cross G2. Okay, then C cross F, D7 and we will check. Okay, this is beautiful move. You can see right now, knight cross D7. Then beautiful queen coming. Bishop cut the queen, wrap the queen, and black get the again a queen. That's it. That's why so many pieces have black. Black have 2 rook, 2 bishop, 1 knight, and 1 queen. Okay, that's why white resigned this game. That's it. If you interest this video, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you so much. Bye bye.